Welcome to BV News Channel. Speaking to reporters in Toronto on Thursday, Deputy Prime Minister Chrystia Freeland addressed the housing affordability issue. While talking about how a home saving account is a way to help first-time homeowners buy a house, she reiterated that solutions to housing issues are often easy to say but hard to accomplish. Canada's housing crisis absolutely cannot be solved without the aid of new immigrants who bring their skills here, Immigration Minister Marc Miller told reporters on Friday. The federal government is making housing more affordable and bringing in the skilled workers required to build more homes, Miller said in Montreal. Without those skilled workers coming from outside Canada, we absolutely cannot build the homes and meet the demand that exists currently today. Miller was asked by reporters if he was considering slashing Canada's immigration targets, which are currently at historic highs, in response to a recent Bank of Canada report that new immigrants are adding to housing demand. The minister said he was not. People coming to this country are resourceful. When they bring capital, they are able to acquire houses, he said. If people are asking us to slash, what does that mean? Does that mean slashing the skilled workers that we need to actually build those houses? Slash family reunification, which can be devastating for the mental health and well-being of the families that are already here. Canada aims to welcome 451,000 new immigrants in 2024. By 2025, the number is expected to go up to 500,000 new immigrants in 1 year. Miller said around 60% of new immigrants to Canada are economic migrants, many of whom are the kind of skilled workers needed to build more housing. Family reunification visas account for around 20% of those migrating. The rest, he said, are refugees and asylum seekers. We have a humanitarian duty towards people that are fleeing war and persecution, Miller said. Last week, a spokesperson from Miller's office told that fulfilling Canada's labour shortages is one of his key priorities, and a key goal of the government's immigration targets. Strategies like express entry, and the historic immigration levels plan, which is largely made up of economic migrants, are a great asset to our nation as they will directly help combat the ongoing labour shortage. This is especially true when it comes to the housing sector. With provinces like Ontario needing 100,000 workers to meet their housing demands, it is clear that immigration will play a strong role in creating more homes for Canadians. The federal government increased its immigration targets in November 2022, and Miller has suggested those targets may need to keep rising.